So y'all let me know what you think. This is it, second day. I just sleep with a scarf on and flexi ride the curls. What do y'all think? Screenshot. Screenshot. What's good, y'all? It's your girl Rain Dollars, looking brand spanking new. You know I love to come to the camera looking new. So this unit is by luvmehair, and the stylist is at Billie Bundles. She's one of my favorite stylists in Virginia. In VA, hands down. I probably only go to 2 people for real, 3 if I want braids, but that's really it. Like, if I'm getting my weave, my girl Billie is the truth. And she is reasonable. She has her own hairline as well, reasonable. And just like this, I can never do this on my own wigs when I customize them. This earpiece is too real looking. So yeah, be sure to make sure you follow her page, y'all. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also go to Billie's page and tell her you came from here. Tell her you saw this on Dollasmenu and you just want to know more about it. Half up, half down. This is Billie's idea. I adore it. I think it's so cute. It's about to be fall, and I'm actually going on vacation soon. be sure to stay tuned for my next video, and we're gonna pack a little so y'all can see what I'm taking with me on my trip. It's lit. So let's just clap it up for Billie, y'all. Like, I love Billie, and I just want to say thank you so much. And if you didn't know it then, know now that I appreciate you. Thank y'all for watching Dollasmenu. Peace.